Fefdy.
Properties of air. Air
Asahi, try this. Hold your finger under your nose. Can you feel the air coming out?
Yes, Bianca, I can feel it, but I cannot see it.
Listen, children, let me tell you the different properties of air. Air occupies space. Air has mass. Air supports burning. Here's a new balloon. See what happens when Bianca blows air into it.
Asahi, can you please hold this balloon?
Sure, Bianca. Wow, the size of the balloon is getting bigger as it gets filled with more air.
My mouth becomes round when I blow air.
Air occupies space. Inflating objects such as bathtubs, balls, swimming tubes, tires, and air pillows prove that air occupies space. An air pump is used to fill in the air into bigger objects.
Kids, let's go home. I will show you a few more experiments.
Are you excited to help kids learn about themselves, plants, animals, space, mindfulness, values, the environment, and many more things? Dive into Fefdy's General Awareness Coursebook, where each page encourages curiosity and a love for exploring a variety of topics. Dive into the Fefdy Learning Adventure. Contact us at 89398-90347 or visit www.fefdy.com.
Bianca, do you have a ruler and thread with you? Get yourself a sharp pin or a needle too.
Sure, uncle, I have them all.
Build a balance by tying a piece of thread at the center of the ruler like this. Inflate two balloons of equal size. Tie each balloon at the ends of the ruler using a thread. What do you notice now, children? Both balloons are hanging equally. Now see what happens when I prick the blue balloon.
Oh, the red balloon moved down.
This means that the red balloon that is filled with air is heavier than the deflated balloon, which shows that air has mass.
Oh, now I get it, uncle.
That's great. Let's move on to the next activity. Asahi, get two burning candles and place them on a flat surface. After that, cover one candle with a glass. Tell me, what do you see?
The candle covered with glass blew off, but other candle is still burning. What magic is this?
The candle flame consumes the air inside the glass, while the other candle continues to burn with the surrounding air.
Uncle Dave, how is air needed for burning?
Bianca, oxygen present in the air supports burning.
These experiments got me interested to learn more about air.